Welcome to Nursing Online Education. Today we are discuss about Kerala PSC Staff Nurse Exam previous questions and answers. Which of the following is not a part of renal tubule of nephron? Options are Bowman's capsule, Ellis loop, proximal convoluted tubule, glomerulus. And the answer is glomerulus. The following part of body is classified as true, false and floating. Options are vertebral column, ribs, skull, sternum. And the answer is ribs. Next question. The innermost layer lining the lumen of alimentary canal is. Options are serosa, mucosa, muscularis, submucosa. And the answer is mucosa. The opening between the right atrium and the right ventricle is guarded by a valve is known as. Options are bicuspid valve, pyloric sphincter, semilunar valve, tricuspid valve. And the answer is tricuspid valve. Which part of the human brain regulates body temperature, urge for eating and drinking, etc.? Option A, hypothalamus. Option B, medulla. Option C, thalamus. Option D, cerebellum. And the answer is hypothalamus. Next question. Which of the following hormones are known as hyperglycemic and hypercalcemic? Option A, insulin and thyrocalcitonin. Option B, insulin and glucagon. Option C, glucagon and parathyroid. Option D, insulin and parathyroid. And the answer is glucagon and parathyroid. In ECGP wave represents. Option A, repolarization of ventricles. Option B, depolarization of ventricles. Option C, repolarization of atria. Option D, depolarization of atria. And the answer is depolarization of atria. Bile is produced by hepatic cells of liver which help in digestion of. Option A, protein. Option B, carbohydrate. Option C, fat. Option D, nucleic acid. And the answer is fat. In human body, urea is produced in. Option A, kidney. Option B, liver. Option C, stomach. Option D, intestine. And the answer is liver. The atrial wall of our secretes a very important peptide hormone which decreased blood pressure is. Option A, CCK. Option B, PTH. Option C, ANF. Option D, GIP. And the answer is ANF. The following factors are favorable for formation of oxyhemoglobin except. Option A, high PO2. Option B, low H plus concentration. Option C, low temperature. Option D, high PCO2. And the answer is high PCO2. A nurse is caring for a patient with a swine flu and she has to give the drug of choice for toxin flow and it is option A acyclovir, option B adifovir, option C cidofovir, option D oseltamivir. And the answer is oseltamivir. Which of the following is an indicator of AIDS? Option A, CD4 count more than 400 cells per mm cube. Option B, CD4 count lower than 200 cells per mm cube. Option C, CD4 count lower than 600 cells per mm cube. Option D, CD4 count lower than 1000 cells per mm cube. And the answer is CD4 count lower than 200 cells per mm cube. The commonest cause of maternal morbidity in India. Option A, hemorrhage. Option B, anemia. Option C, abortion. Option D, sepsis. And the answer is hemorrhage. The vaccine administered as intranasal spray. Option A, rubella. Option B, poliomyelitis. Option C, influenza. Option D, measles. And the answer is influenza. A child comes to the hospital after exposure diphtheria and is given antitoxin. This type of immunity is known as option A, active natural immunity. Option B, active artificial immunity. Option C, passive natural immunity. Option D, passive artificial immunity. And the answer is passive artificial immunity. The most common agent for causation of diarrhea among the children is option A, adenovirus, option B, rotavirus, option C, rhinovirus, option D, rhinovirus. And the answer is rotavirus. The child apical pulse is always checked before administering digoxin. The drug is not given if the pulse rate is option A, below 90 to 100 beats per minute. Option B, above 90 to 110 beats per minute. Option C, less than 60 beats per minute. Option D, more than 150 beats per minute. And the answer is below 90 to 100 beats per minute. The adult apical pulse is always checked before administering digoxin. The drug is not given if the pulse rate is option A, below 90 to 100 beats per minute. Option B, above 90 to 110 beats per minute. Option C, less than 60 beats per minute. Option D, more than 150 beats per minute. And the answer is less than 60 beats per minute. In what position should the nurse place a client recovery from the general anesthesia? Option A, supine position. Option B, side lying position. Option C, high Fowler position. Option D, Trendelenburg position. And the answer is side lying position. Which drug is used in jaundice to decrease of bilirubin? Option A, vitamin K. Option B, phenobarbital. Option C, azithromycin. Option D, pancreatic enzyme. And the answer is phenobarbital. A client reports vomiting and diarrhea for 3 days. What clinical finding will most accurately indicate that client has a fluid deficit? Option A, presence of dry skin. B, loss of body weight. C, decrease in blood pressure. D, altered general appearance. And the answer is loss of body weight. The fluid replacement for burn patient can be evaluation after 48 hours by option A, weight. B, urine specific gravity. Option C, urine output. Option D, peripheral perfusion. And the answer is urine output. According to WHO, the blindness is defined as visual acuity is less than 6 per 30, 6 per 60, 1 per 60, 18 per 60. And the answer is 6 per 60. A 36-year-old female complains of headache and neck pain. Examination by a nurse reveals painful flexion of the neck to the chest. This could be due to brain tumor, meningitis, cerebrovascular accident, subdural hematoma. And the answer is meningitis. Thank you.